Hello investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
In the previously concluded week, the PSEi started strong, reaching its 200-day resistance. However, sellers took their profits, resulting to the index's decline last Tuesday. The profit-taking driven slide invalidated the uptrend channel we drew from June 23, 2025. The correction even accelerated with a gap down midweek as the index heavyweights showed frailness. Last Friday, the local benchmark found support close to the 6,300 area. Looking ahead, indicators suggest that trading this week may be delicate. We see that strong buying demand may emerge at the 6,200 level.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
BDO Power Corporation. On February this year, AP broke out of an ascending triangle pattern that took 2 years to form. It was only able to reach a high of 44.50 and it corrected since then. AP even returned to the range of the said formation. However, on mid-June 2025, we saw AP resurface above these three key resistance levels. 1. The 200-day moving average. 2. The resistance of the long-term ascending triangle pattern. And 3. The downtrend line drawn from the peak of February 7, 2025. Given this setup, we anticipate that there may be further upside for the stock. AP is currently trading at 41.20. If it rallies higher, we may buy it at 42.10. Our target of 49.00 presents a potential gain of 16%. To manage risks, place stop level at 38.80 and apply a sizing appropriate for your risk profile as the reward to risk ratio of this trade idea is below 3:1.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.